Are you having Nintendo Switch frame rate issues? Then you are at the right place. We have got some easy ways that you can use to fix this issue. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Method 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that Wi-Fi is enabled. You can also perform an internet connection test on your Nintendo Switch to check the network connection status. Sometimes, due to unstable internet connection, you can have issues playing games on your Nintendo Switch. From the home menu, select the System Settings icon, scroll down to Internet and choose Test Connection. The test will begin immediately and the results will indicate if your console is successfully connected to Nintendo's services. Method 2. Disable Auto Connect. The next thing you can do is turn off the Auto Connect option. In the Internet settings, look for the Auto Connect option. Disable this feature to prevent the console from periodically trying to connect to a Wi-Fi network when none is available. Method 3. Choose Best Resolution for TV. Go to System Settings, select TV Settings and then TV Resolution. Choose the best resolution setting available for your TV to optimize performance. Method 4. Move contents to microSD card. From System Settings, head to the Data Management section. Select Move Data Between System or microSD card. When you move some contents to the SD card, it will make the games run smoothly. Method 5. Turn off controller vibration. From System Settings, scroll down to Controllers and Sensors and select it. Toggle off the controller vibration setting option. Controller vibrations can sometimes cause game lags like in Fortnite. So, turning this option can boost the frame rate. Method 6. Check game settings. For games that are experiencing frame rate issues, check the game's settings for any options that can be adjusted to improve performance. Like you can turn off high-resolution texture reminders and disable features like Show Spectator Count to reduce the load on the console. Method 7. Consider firmware updates. Regularly check for firmware updates from Nintendo, as these may address frame rate issues and other performance problems. Navigate to System Settings from the Home tab. Select the system. Next, select System Update. Once the update is complete, check if the issue is fixed. Method 8. Consider hardware limitations. The Nintendo Switch's hardware is not designed to handle demanding games at high frame rates consistently. Be aware that frame rate drops are a common issue on the Switch, especially in games that require heavy processing power. Method 9. Set the Switch to never fall asleep. Open the System Settings. Scroll down and select Sleep Mode. In the Sleep Mode menu, you will find two options: playing on console screen and playing on TV screen. For each option, toggle the auto sleep setting to never. By following these steps, your Nintendo Switch will no longer enter sleep mode automatically, allowing you to play without interruption. Method 10. Consider game-specific solutions. Look for online forums and communities where players are discussing frame rate issues with specific games. Check if other players are experiencing similar issues and if there are any known workarounds or patches available. And there you have it, the methods to fix Nintendo frame rate issues. We hope one of these methods have worked for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Leave a comment and help others know which solution solved your problem. Thanks for watching and we will see you in the next video.